Welcome to my channel, friends. Hope you all are doing good. So today I'm back with yet another Goan style pomfret curry. This curry can be made in n number of ways, and I find this curry similar to the Kerala style pomfret curry. So let's just see what all we need to make this delicious recipe. Here I have taken 3 pomfrets cut into pieces. I am adding salt, next I am adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it thoroughly and set it aside to marinate for about 5 to 10 minutes. Here I have taken the mixer grinder and in that I am adding 1 cup of grated coconut. I have heated the clay pan and with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and I am adding 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds. Next I will be adding 8 peppercorns and 1 medium sized onion which is sliced roughly. Here I am adding 2 red whole chilies. Give it a stir and let it saute till onion softens. Now add this mixture into the coconut. With half teaspoon of turmeric powder, small tamarind, add the water and make fine puree out of this. And our coconut mixture is ready. Here I have taken 500 gram of Kashmiri red whole chilies, soaked it into the hot water for about 1 hour, grinded it into a fine paste and sauteed it into oil. This way you can refrigerate it for about 5 to 6 months and use in any Indian gravies. You will get that same red vibrant color. Next I have heated a pan with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1/4 teaspoon of methi seeds, and I am adding in curry patta, and then I have chopped 1 medium sized onion finely. Saute this. And here I am adding the same red Kashmiri red chili paste. Look at that vibrant red color. Saute this for about a second. Then I'll be adding the coconut mixture which we prepared earlier. Put little water into the mixer grinder and take out the remaining residue from the grinder. Give it a stir. Now I'll be adding in this 1 teaspoon salt as per taste. Again mix it thoroughly and let the gravy start boiling. Once the gravy boils, add in the marinated pomfret pieces. Mix it gently, otherwise the pomfret can break. And let it cook further till the next boil. Here I am adding about 2 kokum. Give it a mix into the gravy or the curry. Let it cook for 2 more minutes on medium flame. Now as you can see, the oil have already come on the surface of the curry. and our delicious pomfret curry is ready. Enjoy this curry with your loved ones, and if you like this recipe, please leave your feedback in the comment section below. Hit that like button, share this recipe, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. See you in my next videos. Until then, thanks for watching.